it says perform the division. And what we have is this trinomial, this rather scary looking trinomial, divided by the monomial, negative 5a to the fourth b. Now, we've seen division problems that look like this before, where it was in fraction form. And it's no different, because this fraction says to take the numerator and divide it by the denominator. So we could rewrite this problem in fractional form. Either way, what we do is we take the negative 5a to the fourth and divide it into each of these terms in the numerator. And so to help us do that, we can take that fraction and write it out as these three smaller fractions in which we took the first term divided by the denominator, the second term divided by the denominator, and so on. Just be aware that the denominator, the thing we're dividing by, is negative, so we have to be careful with our signs. Let's go through these divisions, though. We have 15 over negative 5, which is a negative 3. The a to the fourth cancels with the a to the fourth on the bottom. We have b cubed over b to the third power over b. So when we reduce that, we have b squared. Now we have minus, it's going to be a negative 5, right? 25 over a negative 5 is a negative 5. So it's going to be minus a negative, which is the same as plus 5. Now we got to watch our exponents here. A to the 7th over a to the 4th. So what we do with those exponents is we subtract them. So we end up with a to the 3rd. It's the same thing we did with the b's over here. And here we have b squared over b, so we end up with just b. And we have plus, and this is going to be a negative 2. Positive 10 over negative 5 is negative 2. So it's plus a negative, which is the same as minus, or same as subtract, 2. Now I've got a squared over a to the 4th. What we said before is we would subtract these guys. Well, if we subtract them, we're going to end up with, get that out of there, a to the negative 2, and then the b's are going to cancel completely. So we're almost finished, but remember, we don't ever want to leave a negative exponent. And so we can fix that last exponent by doing this. We keep everything else the same. Negative 3b squared plus 5a cubed b minus 2 divided by a squared. We make that negative exponent positive by just bringing it into the denominator. So when we do the division, this is what it looks like.